Hello folks, it's Ron back here on Ron Brown's YouTube channel, and we're here in front of Lucy the elephant here, who just won the top #1 roadside attraction in America. I had posted something on a couple social media feeds, including Facebook and Twitter, about how to vote on them, but the voting's all over now. I don't know who, the other, who came in second, third, or whatever, but Lucy did win #1 roadside attraction in America. So, Lucy down here at the heart of Margate City, New Jersey, right here, just a stone's throw from the beach or whatever. She's been here, been in this location for quite a number of years now, was restored a couple years ago, and it's good to see her, get her recognition for being, a great roadside attraction. So stay tuned. I've got a little bit of a drone video, flying around here, getting some footage. So, let's roll that clip.